3, R's 3, right? So when you want to write the recursive form, we do this. an equals, just get your common ratio, 3 times an minus 1, like that. That's it. And what? Don't forget this. You need to write your first one. So just have your first term. Then you're done. This is recursive form. Okay, do you see this? You see this? So you're changing only those numbers. So each sequence, you find your A1 and your common ratio and just fill that in. Okay? And number 2. Then what was it? My A1 was negative half and my R was negative 2. You're multiplying it by negative 2. We already know that. We got it from here. It's the same question, right? But I want to write it in the recursive form. So an equals what? You multiply it by, what is your R? Negative 2. So you just multiply it by negative 2 to a1 n minus 1, then you get an. And what's my first initial? A1 is negative half. Done. That's it. So that's my answer. Okay. So let me practice it more. One more problem. So it says, guided practice, find the explicit and recursive formula for the following geometric sequence, right? So first, we need to find A1 and R, right? So I'm gonna find A1 and R. I will find this too. So look at the sequence, guys. What is my A1? The first one, right? What is my R? What is my R? 400 to the 200. 200 to the 100. That's divided by 2. Or you multiply it by 1 over 2. Right? 400 and 1 over 2. So we got A1 and a half. Right? So we can write the explicit formula. Oh, lesson quiz. Guys, this week I'm gonna give you Miss Ross questions. Alright? So today, you know how tall Miss Ross is? I asked her because I'm preparing this lesson quiz for this week, and she is 5 feet 8 inches. 5'8". Miss Ross is 5'8". So this is the lesson quiz for today. All right. Okay, let's keep going. Explicit formula. That is what? an equals. If you forget, you can use this. You can. Where is it? Yeah, it's right here. So when you're doing your homework, you can copy it down here and oops, and you can use this. So the formula is what? an is a times r to the n minus 1. So my a is 400 times my r 1 over 2 to the n minus 1 power, like this. And recursive form, then we have the recursive formula. If you keep doing it, then you will memorize this one. So look, this is my recursive form. an equals r, my r, that's 1 over 2, times a n minus 1, comma, a1 is what? 400, like this. So this is like literally you have a formula and you're substituting the number. So all you need to do is from the sequence find the a and r and use your explicit form, recursive form, right? Explicit form is like a function, so you can just get a n term directly. When you know your a and r, you just substitute something into n, then you will get it. That's the explicit form. and recursive formula, that is relationship between two consecutive terms. And we are working on the geometric sequence. So if you multiply a common ratio to the preceding term, then you get the next one, right? Obviously. So, but like, because you're just learning it, so that could be hard. So on your notebook, I want you to copy the formula and told you this yellows. Only you're changing those numbers. Otherwise, this one or n-1, you're not changing any. You just keep the format, alright? So always for the explicit form, you're doing this times by this n-1. So you're looking for this and this, okay? And for the recursive form, you're doing an equals, you're looking for this times an-1. You're not changing this 2, guys. You're looking for that one, and you know this is r, right? And comma, you just write your first term, whatever you get. So you're looking for those numbers. So this is the format. So you're like, Ms.Hong, I don't understand it. I know you will do that, but this is actually like, you don't have to. If you understand it, that's good. But even though you didn't understand it, that's fine. You know how to get your AR at least. Once you get it, substitute it. Alright? And just memorize the form. Keep using it. One day you can use that. Alright? So I talked about the lesson quiz before, right? So answer those lesson quiz. And that's it for today. And don't forget your ALEX 20 minutes. One topic. Alright? And if you have any missing work, especially quiz, ECR, right? Then you need to submit those work. Okay, alright guys, thank you for watching the video. You have great day, and see you on Wednesday. Alright, bye bye.